Hello there, welcome to Genesis Models. My name is Bob Waldron and welcome to the April Genesis Models show. Got a few things to show you. Sorry it's a little bit late, but I had to do a clutch on the missus's car and got all my hands all greasy and horrible and cut to shreds and stuff. But all good fun in the end. So we've got a nice couple of builds that we've actually finished. We're going to be starting new ones, but let's just jump into last month's competition, which, if you remember, it was for this beauty just here, the A6M20 Type 21 by Edard 148 scale. Now, after doing the usual random number generation program and counting down the thread, I came to Mark Lilly. So congratulations to you, Mark Lilly. You are the winner. Just give me a bell with your mailing address and I'll get this shipped out to you free of charge. Now don't worry, we've got another competition coming up later on in the show, so stick around to find out about that and how to enter. But this month we've actually done quite a nice bit of builds. First off, we have the Avenger, all nicely finished and done, and hopefully I'm not going to get any oily handprints on this, but really nice build. Great to see that it's finished. The whole series is now up on the Genesis Models website for you to watch. Really like the end results. Hopefully you can sort of appreciate actually this nice kind of blue that we have here. It really does bring out our weathering really nice. I really do like that. It was a bit of a change for me to do something a bit shall we say World War II, US Air Force, and not doing your typical sort of P51D Mustang. So, you know, rather interesting, pretty cool. Nice to get pilots in there and everything, right? So that was a good one. Plus I do remember we did do a lot of airbrush troubleshooting with this video series. So you know, it's kind of like if you go to like at least the sort of spraying side of it, you'll see a load of different troubleshooting and nice couple of basics if you're having problems with doing your airbrush. So that is all up and that finished last month. But we also started a whole new step-by-step and we finished it, right, which is our P51D Mustang here. Now we finished it because we did this in a step-by-step format, sorry, an advanced step-by-step format. And with the advanced step-by-steps, it's just supposed to be just getting in there with the advanced techniques and just boom, you know, 3 episodes long this was. And we can just get straight to the point for all you sort of veterans and advanced guys out there. So hopefully you're liking that nice quick paced sort of video, and I'll probably do some more like that, but I do have to do them in advance, to be fair, so it takes a bit of time to build them. Although it sort of comes out quick, it takes quite a bit in the background. And this one was all about, really, we did some nice advanced cockpits doing Zenithal, wood effects, we did chipping in there. The spraying in episode 2, you know, was the nice natural metal finish, right, having a lot to do with what's underneath your natural metal finish that you do and how it brings things out, like pre-shading, priming, glosses, varnishes, mattes, you know, high gloss finishes, all that kind of stuff. The episode 3 I do believe will be coming this Friday, the final episode, which we kind of go into things like tinting and stuff. So that'll be also a nice one to watch, and that'll bring that to a conclusion. It should be all up on the Genesis Models website at the end of this week. So hopefully looking forward to that, and it's all nice and finished and ready to go, right? Looking quite cool. But we're going to be starting another one, which will be next week. We will actually be starting, where's it gone? I did have that kit around here, so oh, there it is. Which is going to be this beauty here. It's going to be the Zero, what the competition was last month, Edard Zero. So yeah, you'll be seeing that next week, probably like Monday, Tuesday or Wednesday at some point. I have sort of started the cockpit with this, but this build, we're going for a basic step-by-step, whereby we kind of just go off and sort of cover those basics, those foundations. So you guys who are sort of new to the hobby, coming back to the hobby, you know, nice bit of a refresher, or to just get those foundations down. But also I wanted to turn it into, because it's basic, we can sort of go with that, shall we say, a nice fun sort of mojo building type of a build, where we're not going off and doing all these advanced techniques, right? We're kind of going to try and go about things in a nice, quick, easy but fun way, so as we can have that little bit of a break from doing those big, you know, competition winning kind of pieces that take us absolutely ages to do, and it kind of sucks the mojo out of us a little bit. You know, just quick, easy, fun, some nice techniques where we can just do things that will you know, still make it look good at the end. Okay, it's not going to be a competition piece, but it still make it look good. It's just we can just blast through it, get it done nice and quick, and have ourselves a nice model at it. So good one for basic people and good one for people who want a nice bit of a mojo boost. Right, so that will be coming next week. And then there is the top pick of the month, right? The best sort of model I found on the forum, and I came to Remy. Remy did the oh, what was it now? It was a Viper, an AH1 Viper. Can't quite remember. Sorry, it's just over on the computer. But yeah, go check it out. Here's some nice pictures. I did find that to be a really nice, weathered and well-looking model with a little bit of a diorama thing going on there. It was really, really cool. So that will go up into the Genessis models gallery for everybody to view. If you want to be sort of in it to try and get your models in on the gallery, just post your final reveals, your build threads and stuff on the Genessis models forum, and you might get picked to go up on the gallery, which is good for everyone's good for you. It's good for everyone to see, and it is a joy to check out and look at everybody's work and get some inspiration from it. Now sadly we're coming to the end of the show, so I'm just going to throw in here this month's competition, which is going to be a nice bit of armor. This time it's going to be a King Tiger. This is by Ming. I do like Ming. They're a good sort of company for great detail and everything. It is the King Tiger. It is in 1/35 scale, and I've already done an inbox review of this, and I really do think it's quite a good kit. So this is this month's competition, so if you want to be in it to win it, all you got to do is go to Genessis Models website, and in the forum you will find what is it, April competition 2022, and all you got to do is post in that thread, and just post saying anything you like. It could be feedback, it could be count me in, something to that effect. All you got to do is post in that thread and you are entered, and just like with the Zero, I'll announce next month who is the winner by doing a random number generation program and get it shipped out to you free of charge. So yeah, as I say, you know, we've come to the end of the show. Hopefully you're liking all these new step-by-steps that have come out, and the next one starting with the Zero. But apart from that, hopefully you're enjoying your hobbying and getting down to doing some building and stuff. But until next time, as always, my name's Bobby Waldron, this is Genessis Models, and I hope you've enjoyed.